Good day to my gearhead brethren. My path to happiness, fulfillment, enlightenment, contentment, gratification, and a sense of well-being lies between the prime choice, quality assemblage of vintage automobiles around which I must navigate daily, whilst avoiding the contraction of tetanus from oxidizing and decaying metal, which is desperately trying to return to the earth from whence it came. Ah yes, happiness lies within. Everybody should enjoy a muscle car. And a healthy application of massive torque!